Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in. So today I'm showing you the highly requested inverted puff and a basic flat twist. Make sure to watch till the end. I'm using the Kiddies Moisturizing Conditioner to detangle and condition the hair. As usual, for parts I'm using Jabu Stone. I'll put links to all the products used in this video in the description box below in case you'd like to use them too. As usual, I'm doing curved sections and I've divided the hair into 5 sections. 2 sections at the crown of the head and 3 sections right round the head. Dividing the hair into sections helps me to plan the hairstyle and figure out how the style is going to flow. I'm also using my whipped shea butter, Nasha Organics Twist and Shine to seal in moisture into the hair. If you know how to do two-strand twists, then you'll probably be able to flat twist. I will show you how. It's basically doing a two-strand twist but picking up more hair as you go along the section. I mainly use my thumbs, the 4 fingers and the middle fingers from both hands. Thank you so much for subscribing, you guys, and watching my content. Thank you so much. If you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe and hit the notification button so that you don't miss anything I post on this channel. Go right ahead, subscribe. It's free, you know? Okay, all right. And we are already gunning for 100,000 subscribers. So join the tribe and subscribe to this channel, you guys. Remember, in this video, I'm also showing you how to do an inverted puff because it was requested by you guys and I could not do it unless I do a flat twist, cornrows or something. So make sure to watch through the end to see that. I'll also indicate in the description box when that part of this video starts and you can go right there and watch it. Would you like to learn how to add hair extensions while doing flat twists? Let me know in the comments below and I will do that video for you as well. Like I said, I start with 2 sections of hair, which are going to do a 2-strand twist first, and then I start picking up hair with my thumb and middle finger as I go along a section. For a beginner, you may want to master that first. Don't think about anything else except doing a 2-strand twist while picking up more hair as you go along. Don't worry on how neat or tight it is. Just concentrate on getting the technique right. When you've mastered that, now twist the hair a bit as it goes over each other. This is actually a lesson for another day, but in case you have already mastered how to flat twist but not sure why your flat twists do not look neat enough or they are loose. So, twisting the hair a bit helps to make the twist look more together and more secure at the base. Tip number 1. Find the side that your fingers twist best and stick to it, especially when doing small sections. Bigger flat twists are much trickier though, as you may want them to go different directions to frame the face nicely. Tip number 2. Also make sure the hair is well detangled so that once you start flat twisting a section, you can go right through with it without stopping in the middle to take out a knot. Do you have any videos that you want me to do? Please let me know in the comments below and I may even do some vlogging, you guys. So if you're up to it, let me know in the comments and then I'll do that for you. I particularly love 2-strand twists or flat twists in this case because they don't put too much tension on the scalp. Especially if you've got hairline issues, you don't have to worry about your hairline problem getting worse. Actually, it may even help you to recover from a receding hairline. So I love flat twists with or without hair extensions because they're very kind and very gentle to the scalp. For the inverted puff, I use yarn and a big needle. I tie a knot at the end of the yarn and then go through the base of one twist twice before going through the base of each and every twist once. It's basically threading those twists. I go past the twist I started with to close the small gap there. I then start threading or going through the twists a bit higher depending on how high I want the puff to be. If the hair is very bulky, I do it higher to create more room to tuck the ends in. You got that right. I then tuck the ends of the twist into that small housing created by the twists. Pull the thread to close the top and I'm done. It's that simple. You could either add some hair extensions or a ponytail or leave it just like that. My client chose to leave it like that actually. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave me a comment, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. God bless you. Bye.